In this video, I'll guide you through how to delete a synced Google Drive folder from your Windows PC. Maybe you're running out of storage space, or you just don't want certain files taking up room on your computer anymore. Whatever the reason, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can safely remove that synced folder without confusion. First, before you touch any files, you need to pause or disconnect Google Drive syncing. This is important because if Google Drive is actively syncing while you delete a folder, it may try to update or restore files or even remove them from the cloud when you don't intend to. So look for the Google Drive icon in your system tray, usually at the bottom right corner of your screen near the clock. Click that icon to open the Google Drive menu. In that menu, you'll find an option to pause syncing or to disconnect your account temporarily. Choose pause or disconnect if you prefer, so that no changes are being synchronized while we work. Give it a few seconds to fully pause before moving on. Once syncing is paused, open File Explorer on your Windows PC. You can do this by clicking the folder icon on your taskbar or by pressing the Windows key and the letter E on your keyboard at the same time. File Explorer is where you'll see all your drives, folders, and files. Now, navigate to the Google Drive folder on your computer. Depending on how you set it up, this might be listed directly in the left-hand sidebar as Google Drive, or it might be inside your user folder. You can also use the search box in the top right corner of File Explorer and type Google Drive to locate it quickly. Once you find it, click into that Google Drive folder so you can see all the folders and files that are currently synced to your PC. Inside the Google Drive folder, locate the specific folder you no longer want synced to your computer. Take a moment here to double check that you really want to remove it from your PC. Remember, we are deleting the local copy from your Windows machine. If syncing is paused or disconnected, this should not remove it from the cloud, but it's still a good idea to be sure you don't need the local version anymore. When you're ready, right-click the folder you want to remove and choose Delete, or simply select it and press the Delete key on your keyboard. Windows will send the folder to the recycle bin. Depending on the size of the folder, this might take a little time. Be patient and let it finish. If Windows prompts you to confirm the deletion, go ahead and confirm. You might see a message asking if you're sure you want to move this folder to the recycle bin. Click Yes to continue. If you're prompted for administrator permission, approve the action. Once that's done, the folder and its contents are removed from your local Google Drive folder on this computer. After you've deleted the folder, you can return to the Google Drive icon in your system tray and resume syncing or reconnect your account. That's all you need to do to delete a synced Google Drive folder from your Windows PC.